Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a shopping haul from the very trending Meesho app. I'm going to share some kurtis which I got from Meesho, and also I'm going to share some earrings which I got from an Instagram store, and I'm telling you guys, you'll simply love it. They're amazing. So let's get into the video. Guys, this is going to be a try on haul, so please be with me till the last of the video. Okay, so the first kurti which I'm going to show is this one. You can see the neck is so beautiful, and it's a very nice kurti. I will also show you the try on of this kurti. So this is really very nice. I really love the neck, and this is a boat neck which looks simply amazing, and it's very much in. The pants is also very nice, and it's in contrast, you know. See the kurti and the pant, and this piece is simply amazing. I'll just show you the try on of this also. This light color kurti is a perfect fit for summer, and it's adding to the invincible style statement. The buttons, the detailing on the kurta is very beautiful. I like the length of the pants also, it's up till ankle. So guys, I already shared the lookbook of this kurti from Meesho. I'm going to put the code in description. And this kurti is simply beautiful. इसका fabric इतना soft है, and the work, this buttons over here, this is adding to the beauty of this kurti. The color is so soothing to eyes, and apart from that, the work which is there on the sleeves is beautiful. And yes, I already shared that I got 2 earrings from an Instagram store, glitters.in. I am going to share the link in the description box. आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. ये मिरर वर्क ईयरिंग्स इतने सुंदर है, एंड दीज आर परफेक्ट फॉर पार्टी ओकेजन्स एंड फेस्टिव सीजन. आप अभी करवा चौथ पे, दिवाली पे यू कैन यूज़ इट. बहुत ही प्रिटी लगे मुझे, और ये आपको लग रहा होगा बहुत हैवी है. थोड़े से हैं बट इतने नहीं हैं, एंड दे लुक सिंपली अमेजिंग. ये जिसका मेरी तरह राउंड फेस है, उनके फेस को एक बहुत ही डिफाइंड सा लुक दे रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हो. So, second kurti which I got is again a pantsuit, and look at the kurti. I am in love with this indigo color. The neck is boat neck, and look at the detailing of the patchy work done on the sleeves of this kurti. It looks simply amazing. The neck is also very beautiful, and this is paired with this pant. It's a bit loose, but I guess it's a plazo kind of a pant, and they are very much in. The print of this pant looks simply fabulous, and it's very nice, and the cloth is so soft and comfortable to wear. I love both the kurti sets, and you can rock it with any danglers or beautiful neck piece, and you're all good to go. Indigo kurtis are never out of trend. They always make you look stunning and beautiful. I really like this cotton kurta and pair of pants which is suitable for any casual outing. I am in love with this kurta set. It never goes out of fashion. गाइस, आप देख सकते हो ये ईयरिंग्स भी बहुत प्रिटी है. आपको क्लोजअप लुक दिखा रही हूँ. ये ईयरिंग्स भी मैंने सेम इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर से लिए हैं, एंड देर ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट वेट. अभी फेस्टिव सीज़न है, करवा चौथ आ रहा है, दिवाली आ रहा है. आप इसे किसी भी पार्टी वेयर सूट के साथ या साड़ीज़ के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. एंड अपार्ट अगर आप गले में नेक पीस नहीं भी पहनते हो तो यू आर गुड टू गो. Now my next purchase is a festive kurti which is very pretty and beautiful, and pink is one of my favorite colors, so I really loved it. I got this kurti from Meesho app for my mother-in-law. See, I'm going to show you the closer. This print is very nice and beautiful. The golden print is adding to the beauty of this kurti. And see the work done on this, piping work done on this sleeve is so beautiful and neat. Fabric is so soft, it's rayon. The kurti looks simply beautiful and amazing. I really love this. It's a good purchase, I would say. Guys, look at the print. It looks so beautiful. So beautiful. I got this for my mother-in-law and she's flaunting this suit. And look at the fit of the suit. It's so festive and simply amazing. And she's so cute that she did it for me. I got these three headbands from Meesho. I really like this one. The floral work is so beautiful and nice, and it's so cute. I like this one also, the one with polka dots. It's looking pretty nice. I did not like it much, but anyways, I'll use it too. This cheetah print headband. So this is my purchase. So guys, my next purchase is this vibrant dupatta. Look at the colors and the beautiful print on this dupatta. Let me open it for you. See, as you can see, there are multiple colors, so you can easily pair it up with either say maybe plain black, white, red, green, yellow. Ample of color options are there, and it has got very nice length. See how beautiful this dupatta looks. Dupatta is full of vibrant colors, you can see, and it can be paired with multiple options, and this is going to add grace to even a plain suit as well. I believe this is going to look amazing with either plain black, red, yellow, green options, and the length is pretty good. My height is 5'7" and it's perfect for my height, so you can very well assume that the length is perfectly fine. And this is going to add colors to the outfit and make it suitable for office wear or for some light function or maybe for some outing. It's very comfortable. The fabric is also very nice. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful collection. Do let me know your opinion in the comment section about the apparels and the earring collection from the Instagram store. Also, please give a thumbs up and hit the like button if you really like the video. Subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.